Welcome to our Caesar Solar DIY. Today we are going to wire for our stove. From this bottom coming down this way. I did yesterday. I cut open the wall and installed the box for the outlet. Look at this. And then bring the wire today. The plug also for the wrench to attach it. That's a 3-wire one. Line 1. Ground and line 2. Okay, as you can see, this is 60 I 1.8 amp. Okay, and this is also number 6 wire AWG. Now I'm going to take off those panels, not completely, but I'm using another. I don't use the one volt. Now I'm using the second volt. And I take this off. Alright. Our cord is connected and secure. That's it. You see what is there and what's not. The oven is clear. Okay, I got the oven clear, and I'm going to turn on the stove in a second. Not too long, but I'm going to turn on the stove. Oven is clear. I'm ready to plug in. All right, as we can see, our oven is lighting up red. That's a good sign. Oven is red. Okay, on the right, and the red one on the left. You may not be able to see too clear. They are smoking, but I don't see the red looking yet. But they are smoking. They are hot. Just don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and leave your comments. The comments are very important. Please do so. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I'll see you in the next one. Keep watching.